The rainy trip. On the second day of our camping trip, the rain started falling. "What's going on?" my friend Kyra's dad grumbled. "The newspaper said it would be sunny all week." As we crouched in our tent for shelter, I hid my disappointment. Kyra was my best friend, and her dad had been so nice to invite me on our trip. I had never been camping before. I hadn't thought about what we would do if it rained, though. I hadn't even brought a raincoat. It kept raining, so Kyra's dad took us to visit a nearby museum. Then we ate dinner at a fast food restaurant. Kyra's little sister Ellie was delighted to eat French fries and chicken nuggets. But Kyra and I had been looking forward to eating dinner around a campfire. "I'm sure the weather will clear up tomorrow," Kyra's dad said. But when we woke up the next morning, the rain was falling harder than ever. Kyra tried distracting us with her favorite camping trick, eating milk and cereal without a bowl. First, she took a miniature cereal box. She ripped off one long skinny side and one big side. Then she made another careful tear in the bag of cereal. Finally, she poured milk into the bag and ate the cereal with a spoon, just like it was in a bowl. This kept us busy for a while. But then Ellie started to complain. "When can we go swimming?" she whined. "I'm bored." "We have to wait for the sun to come out, Squirt," Kyra said. "When will the sun come out?" Ellie asked. "Will you please stop asking me questions?" Kyra pleaded. I stuck my head in a book. I had never seen Kyra in a bad mood before. Suddenly, I felt very lonely. Then I had an idea. "Do you guys want to learn a new game?" I asked. "Sure," everyone said. "First, you take a book like this." I held up my book called The Big Race. You open to any page and read a line. You use that line to start a funny story. I'll start. I opened the book and read a line. "Red Lizard looks at his big cake." Now I'll add a line. "Red Lizard looks at his big cake. He is very hungry." "Okay, Ellie, now you add a line." Ellie thought for a minute. "The cake is made of bugs." "Ew, Ellie," Kyra giggled. "I guess it's my turn. Let's see. Red Lizard looks at his big cake. He is very hungry. The cake is made of bugs. He tries to eat the cake, but a bug bites him on the tongue." Ellie squealed, "Ew, Kyra." Just then an amazing thing happened. The patter of raindrops on our tent stopped. Kyra and I looked outside. On the horizon, we saw the sun peeking through the clouds. "Great!" Kyra's dad cheered. "Let's go swimming while we have the chance." "Can we finish our game at the beach?" Kyra asked with a smile. "I want to find out what happens to Red Lizard."